Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equals to 2s ds. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u square. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. So 34 we can change by number 9 plus 25. So this one, that is about identities. So we put about u minus 3 to the power of 2. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we need to use about u minus 3 equal to 5 tan t. Because if I put this one gone here, we have 25 tan t squared. Number 25, we can do about factorization. Tan t squared plus 1 we change by secant of t squared. And later that we simplify the square root. So we do first the derivative for the both sides. So I will put this one gone here. Du we change by this one. This one we have 25 tan t squared. Number 25, we can do about factorization. So this one we change by secant of t squared. So we have 5 secant of t. Number 5 and number 5 we have 25. Now we need to concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to secant of t. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have secant of t tan t dt. dv we have secant of t squared dt. The integration of this one, we have v equals to tan t. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration secant of t tan t squared dt. About tan t squared we change by secant of t squared minus 1. And now we need to separate them in here. So we know that this one equals to this one. And now we put this one go to the right. So we have number 2. Later that, we divide both sides by number 2. And now, the integration of this one. We have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. Now we return back to this one. So the integration of this one, that is about this one. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 5. And we have t equals to arctan of this one. So I will put this one to change for t. So we know that tan with arctan, we have this one. Similar for this one. So about u, that is about s square. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.